As a part of Suffolk County's Stormwater Management Program to reduce stormwater pollution in Suffolk County, Cornell Cooperative Extension works alongside the county with its education and outreach program. Part of the EPA's mandate under MS4 Phase 2 for the county is reaching community and schools and educating residents about stormwater runoff and how we can help to reduce it. Mark Cappellino, one of Cornell Cooperative Extension of Suffolk County's Marine Program educators, went to the Mary G. Clarkson Elementary School to help the first grade students install a rain garden and teach the children about the benefits of this new rain garden.
My name is Mr. Cappellino, or I said before you call me Mr. C for short. Can you say good morning, Mr. C?
Good morning, Mr. C.
Well, today we're at Mary G. Clarkson Elementary School in Bay Shore and planted a rain garden with the first grade class. And they did a tremendous job, and you can see behind us some of the plants in the garden. And this will be a great location when any visitors come to school. It's right by the front entrance. Today we had actually a special visitor for our rain garden project. Legislator Stern from the 16th Suffolk County Legislative District came today and helped out with the rain garden. He grabbed a shovel and helped dig the holes for the plants to go in. And it was great having him here and learning about the projects that Cornell Cooperative Extension is involved with here in his district and also with our local schools. And it was really nice to have that interaction between the students and him.
How are we doing? Good, beautiful day, right?
Wow.
What a perfect day to be outside, right? To make our school that much more beautiful, right? Well, I'm Suffolk Legislator Steve Stern, and it is my privilege to represent the 16th Legislative District, where we are today. And we're in one of the most important places in any community, our elementary school, with our bright, outstanding young children who are so eager to learn. And it is really them and their generation who we draw inspiration from, particularly when it comes to protecting our environment. And that's really what today is all about. Today is about having an appreciation for nature. It has an appreciation for beautifying our community and one of the most important places within our community, again, an elementary school, which symbolizes so much. It symbolizes, most importantly, our future. And we see that in our children.
Cornell Cooperative has been wonderfully generous in coming here and working with our children, teaching them about how to plant a rainwater garden and how the water from the roof falls through the gutter and into the soil below. So they prepped the garden for us. You can see them behind me doing it now. They're really excited. The kids got to dig the holes and put the plants in. They learned a little bit about mulch. They measured some plants. They looked to see how much more of these plants were going to grow. It's a great activity. It's a great way to get them outside and engaged and enjoying the outdoors and just experiencing it rather than just learning about it in the classroom. They've had a great time.
What was going on here?
Oh, we were planting a rain garden.
So today, it is another important example of a great partnership between members of our community and the Cornell Cooperative Extension, which does such a great job in bringing our natural resources and appreciation for our natural resources to life. Because our young people can learn everything from a book, but when they're outside, when they're literally getting their hands dirty, and when they are planting something that they're going to see over time, as first graders, they're going to see that what they had a personal hand in growing over time and a real appreciation for that, so that by the time they go on to the next level, they will truly leave a legacy behind for future generations. That's a great day. When children are coming up next year and the years after that and the years after that, they're going to continue to see the beautiful plants that you guys planted together, and they're going to be able to say thank you just like I'm saying thank you today. So what a great job, everybody.
And everyone hold up your shovels. 1, 2, 3.
Rain garden!